And then 2.5, the angle between the rope and the horizontal surface is increased to 50. Okay, so this guy is now pulling it at an angle like that, for example. There's a 50 from the horizontal up to the new angle that the rope is being pulled from. So what will be the effect on the kinetic frictional force acting on the block now? So the effect on the kinetic frictional force acting on the block. So let's see what happens. So a reminder that we had Fg going down, we had Fn going up, and we also had our Fy going up. But in this scenario, our Fy is increasing because our angle is increasing. But at this stage, Fy was pretty strong previously. But as we increase the angle, our Fy becomes stronger and our Fx becomes less. So at this stage, if we are plugging in Fn into our Ff formula, Fg equals Fn plus Fy. Okay. But a reminder that we increase the angle, our Fy is increasing. So when we take our Fy over, our mass of the object has not changed. But our Fy is a bigger value now because we have increased the angle. So that stays the same. I'm just going to put an equals sign over here for Fg. It is the same, but our Fy has increased, which means we are minusing by a bigger value. And all of this represents our Fn, which means our Fn here is going to become smaller because what is happening is this object is lifting slightly off the ground, not entirely, not in a visible way, but it is lifting a little bit more off the ground, which means our Fn can work less hard because our Fg and our Fn plus Fy are in equilibrium. So our Fg is the same, but because the Fy is increasing, our Fn can work less hard, as if there are people on a tug of war team and therefore have to equal each other. So because Fy is increasing, Fn can decrease, and this team on tug of war can still pull the same as the Fg over there. So that means our Fn is decreasing. Our coefficient has not changed. The material that the surface is made of has not changed, but our Fn is going down. So if our Fn is going down because we increase the angle, the kinetic frictional force acting on the block will also go down because it is directly proportional to the Fn. So if Fn goes down, our frictional force goes down, and therefore our answer is decreases.